Hey, 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 hello. This one is my live stream in the morning. Oh, ewan ko anong oras ba yun? 4 o'clock o mga, ewan ko, 5 na yata o 6. Hindi ko alam, nakalimutan ko. Oh, saglit lang kasi laging nag brown out. But say thank you. Thank you for everything pa rin kahit papaano I have like this one, the result for the finish. Okay? Oh, thank you so much. Now, I have some, okay. So at least, it's not make zero of my, of my channel. Oh, and this one also is stopper from Madam. So, some mga taga-Baghdad peoples, if you like this one is perfume, Reha, perfume. So, you can search to order this one. Ayan o. Oh. Okay. There is another color, this one, there is purple, there is basta, you can find mga madam, you can choose o mga ladies, o mga single, or mga mami, mga grandma, sorry. Try this kind of Reha, this perfume is it smell good. Okay, check, and it's very ingay from up. They are working. What time now? It's almost 12, almost 1 I think. So I finished already my plane. I'm hungry. This one is lunch and breakfast and lunch na. Because my lunch also and dinner is including now. So before I sleep, I just take little bit mga, what's that? Biscuits or sandwich, slight na lang before I sleep, and if we are only at home. Okay, so once again, thank you for everything. Thank you for the all support, subscriber, not subscriber, viewers, not viewers, supporters, not supporters, that you are still helping and support in my channel to continue. Go lang. And I wish someday, somehow, I will become the one legit YouTuber, the small YouTuber. It's okay. At someday and somehow, sabi pa nila, just continue what can I do and what I am doing. So that's all. At least that I have activities or some what's that, yung kumbaga can I insert my time in my work while I'm working, at least I have another what's that, to our sickness, sadness, stress, and whatever, etc. and etc. And the weather is very hot, same as usual, because here in Iraq, it's summertime. Oh, happy Fiesta, happy alumni in my hometown. Hello, how are you? Oh, that is the homecoming. It's coming soon. And enjoy for the coming soon. Oh, I just make what's that now? Okay, just a minute. Just make. Thank you again for watching. More blessings at all. Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, worldwide, to the all peoples that we are belong in the different countries, different nationalities, different language, that you are still connected in the social media, in any kind of social media. In my hometown, almost there, they are already in the social media. And thank you to my all families, both side of my nanay and tatay, mga kababata, co-workers before until now, mga batchmate, elementary, high school, college, until co-workers, until OFW, until friends, mga childhood, mga kumpans, kumaris, all of them, mga employees, mga amo, mga family ng employees ko, mga amo ko both side, mga sir, their mga friends, to my whole families that I have, my past nanay and tatay, and my younger brother that also already with my parents in heaven with a grandmother and grandfather, and my one brother, mga nieces, ako sa tuhod, mga ako, mga pamangkin, relatives, cousins, basta ang kanto, ang kantitas, ang toitos, and the different countries also that you are still living in this earth while you are in your work. Okay, so Brad, ingat-ingat, Brad Asol, ingat-ingat, to my sister-in-laws, ingat-ingat, may mga nieces, kay Sarah, may aunties at uncles, mamas and papas, basta all of us worldwide na nga yan, including na nga yan worldwide, o diba? So they are including already. And congrats to all of them. In the Philippines, congrats, and good luck, and I wish everything will be okay. And Lord, thank you very much, Lord, that you are given everything that what we have. Okay, thank you, and bye. God bless us all. Happy Tuesday, keep safe, and more blessings. And whatever you do, whatever you are, kumbaga pa, keep safe lagi.